Hey guys, how's it going? Today, let's take a detailed look at this nearly mint condition 1998 Pontiac Grand Prix GT. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Grand Prix. We'll start up so the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at my family's dealership, Car Connections Incorporated, in Reidsville, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's go and start up, let it run. It's a bright red exterior with black leather interior. It's got just over 107,000 miles. Fires right up. Full leather wrap steering wheel, nice and smooth, with side bolster and extensions. 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, with low gear selection. And let's go ahead and cut on the headlights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And let's go and check out the exterior, shall we? Gorgeous, more aggressive angular styling from the Pontiac Grand Prix SE. Gray lower fascia insert. Sporty spoke wheels, polished alloy with 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, styled hood, large rear tail lamps with dual exhausts, and a satin gray Pontiac insert in the bottom of the bumper, kind of mimicking the front, as well as an integrated rear spoiler. Go ahead and pop the hood. Upgraded from the Grand Prix SE, the Grand Prix GT comes with GM's 3800 Series 2 V6. At an original retail price of around $20,665, the Grand Prix GT was the midline between the SE and GTP, which is the supercharged version of the 3.8 V6. This particular one puts out 195 horsepower at 5,200 RPM and 230 foot-pounds of torque at 4,000 RPM. Has an EPA miles per gallon rating in the city of 19 and on the highway upwards of 30 miles to a gallon. Stabilizer bars up front, Impeccable reliability, strong acceleration. These are very good engines. The Grand Prix GT has distinctive, unique styling, especially quite a styled interior. Padded perforated door trim, lower storage, all of your power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. You have a power sliding, tilting driver's seat with manual recline, all wrapped in perforated leather with sport headrests. Nice and supportive, yet firm, as well as a manual tilt steering wheel. So let's go ahead and see how she sounds. Does have a rev limiter in park around 4,000 RPM. These 3.8s have such a unique exhaust note to them. Gonna shut her up. Simple to use manual climate control, different zones, front defrost, rear defrost, AC, temperature, and fan speed. Delco audio system specific for Pontiac with in-dash cassette player and rear trunk mounted CD changer. Equalizer settings. It's an awesome sounding audio system. Preset stations, radio modes, balance and fade, and clock set. Top storage and power outlet. Sunglass storage. Garage door opener storage. Driver information system. Traction control. As well as a little heads-up display. Lower storage. Your leather stitch shift boot. Cup holders. CD storage. As well as chain storage. Intermittent wipers and cruise control, radio controls on the steering wheel. Alrighty, just gonna shut her down. I'm gonna check out the back seat. Perforated trim going across the back door panels as well. Roomy rear seat. Very soft, low, supportive seating. Ashtray, manual lumbar for the driver's seat, Large center console with cup holders and storage, all nice and stitched, with a trunk pass-through. Rear illumination, as well as coat hooks. Now we're going to check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Very roomy trunk. It's your CD changer. This of a manual passenger seat. Lower power outlet. Modest glove box, power trunk release. Very neat car. Good performance, sporty looks. What else can you ask for from a Pontiac? Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour in the 1998 Pontiac Grand Prix GT. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more that came from. Take care everybody.